Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting topics for football fans and smart bettors alike: how to use AI tools to bet on the 2026 FIFA World Cup and come out ahead with some solid betting tips. The 2026 World Cup is right around the corner, co-hosted by the United States, Canada and Mexico, featuring a massive 48-team format that promises non-stop action from June 11th all the way to the final on July 19th. With so many matches, new dynamics, and plenty of value to be found, artificial intelligence is becoming the secret weapon for bettors who want an edge over traditional bookmakers. Imagine having access to tools that can analyse thousands of data points in seconds: player stats, team form, historical trends, weather conditions at venues across North America, injury reports, and even advanced metrics like expected goals or possession value. That's exactly what AI brings to the table for this tournament. Whether you're a casual fan placing a few fun bets or a serious punter looking to build a strategy, integrating AI can transform your approach from guesswork to data-driven decisions. In this script, we'll explore the best ways to leverage these technologies, break down key betting markets for the World Cup, and share practical tips that could help you maximize your returns while managing risks responsibly. Let's start with the basics of why AI is a game changer for World Cup betting. Traditional betting relies on intuition, media hype, or basic stats, but AI models crunch massive datasets from past tournaments, club performances, international friendlies, and even real-time simulations. Tools like ChatGPT, Grok from xAI, Google's Gemini, and specialized platforms such as Sports AI or Nerdy Tips can generate predictions, identify value bets where bookie odds don't match the true probabilities, and even simulate entire tournament brackets. For instance, many AI systems have been trained on historical World Cup data, showing that favourites don't always win. Underdogs create upsets in group stages, and home advantage plays a huge role, especially with free host nations this time around. One of the first steps is to gather reliable data. Use free AI chatbots to query specific scenarios. For example, you can prompt something like, "Analyse Spain's chances in the 2026 World Cup based on current form, squad depth, and historical performance in expanded tournaments." Spain enters as one of the top favourites, with odds around plus 450 to win the whole thing, thanks to their recent successes and a blend of experienced stars like Rodri and young talents. France sits right there with them at plus 480 or so, boasting incredible depth, with players like Kylian Mbappe who could easily claim the Golden Boot. England, Brazil, Portugal and Argentina round out the elite tier. AI can help you dig deeper into these squads, factoring in things like fatigue from a long club season or tactical setups under their managers. To make this practical, let's talk about specific AI tools and how to use them step by step. Start with general purpose models. Open up ChatGPT or Grok and feed it comprehensive prompts. A good one might be: simulate the 2026 World Cup group stage outcomes using current FIFA rankings, recent match results, and betting market implied probabilities. Highlight potential upsets and value bets for group winners. This can give you insights into groups, like Group A, featuring Mexico as hosts, against South Africa, South Korea, and others. Mexico often performs well on home soil, and AI models frequently project them as strong contenders to top their group. Similarly, the USA in their group will benefit from massive home support, making them interesting for advancement bets at longer odds. Specialized AI betting platforms take this further. Services like Sports AI or Deep Betting use machine learning to compute true odds by comparing historical data with current bookmaker lines across dozens of sportsbooks. They scan for positive expected value, or EV, bets, situations where the probability they calculate is higher than what the odds imply. For the World Cup, this is gold, because markets can be inefficient early on, especially for props like top scorer or exact group placements. Imagine inputting data on Brazil's attacking options and getting a probability distribution for their path to the knockout rounds. These tools often outperform human analysts over large samples because they remove emotional bias. Another powerful technique is ensemble modeling, combining outputs from multiple AIs. Ask Grok for predictions, then cross-reference with Gemini and Claude. If they all converge on France reaching the semi-finals, but one highlights value in England to win their group due to a favourable draw, that's a signal worth exploring. For 2026, early simulations from various AIs point to European teams dominating. But South American sides like Argentina, defending champions, and Brazil always have that magic. Prompts can include variables like factor in travel distances between venues in the US, Canada, and Mexico, as well as potential jet lag for European teams. This level of nuance is where AI shines. Now, let's move into concrete betting tips tailored for the 2026 World Cup using AI insights. First, the outright winner market. Spain and France are co-favourites for a reason. Their squads are balanced, tactically flexible, and packed with world-class talent. But AI models often find value in the next tier. Portugal, at around plus 900, offers appeal with Cristiano Ronaldo potentially in his final tournament, bringing leadership and experience. Germany at plus 1,400 could be a rebuild story worth backing if their young squad gels. Use AI to run Monte Carlo simulations, thousands of tournament run-throughs, to estimate win probabilities more accurately than static odds. For group stage betting, which offers more frequent opportunities and often better value, focus on advancement bets or group winner markets. Hosts like Canada and the USA have boosted odds due to familiarity with conditions and fan support. AI analysis might reveal that Mexico has over 60% implied chance to win Group A, making them a solid favourite. Look for mismatches where underdogs have better underlying metrics. Tools can help you spot bets like over 2.5 goals in high-scoring groups or specific match outcomes. With 48 teams, there are plenty of group games to wager on daily. Player props are another area where AI excels. Golden Boot winner is a popular market. Mbappe is usually short odds, but AI might identify value in Harry Kane or rising stars if France or England have easier paths. Prompt your AI with compare projected goal tallies for top forwards in 2026 World Cup, considering minutes played, penalty duties, and opposition strength. This data-driven approach beats relying on reputation alone. In-play betting during the tournament will be massive. AI can process live data feeds, if available through certain platforms, to adjust predictions in real time. For example, if a key player gets injured early in a match, the model can recalculate win probabilities instantly. Even without live feeds, pre-match AI prep helps you make quicker, informed decisions when odds fluctuate. Risk management is crucial when using AI for betting. No model is perfect, and the World Cup has a history of surprises. Think Saudi Arabia beating Argentina in 2022. Treat AI as a tool, not a crystal ball. Set a bankroll, bet only a small percentage per wager, say 1 to 2%, and always shop for the best odds across multiple bookmakers. AI can even help with arbitrage by comparing lines, though true arb opportunities are rare. Diversify your bets, mix outrights, groups, and matches rather than going all in on one prediction. Let's expand on some group-specific tips. In groups with strong European presence, expect high qualification rates for those teams. But AI often uncovers value in African or Asian sides punching above their weight due to athleticism and organisation. Morocco, for instance, impressed in previous tournaments and could be a dark horse again. For the USA, their opening matches against teams like Paraguay could set the tone, and AI projections frequently give them a strong chance to advance from their group thanks to home advantage and a talented squad. As the tournament progresses to knockouts, dynamics shift. Fatigue, red cards, and extra time become factors. Advanced AI can model these scenarios, perhaps recommending bets on draws leading to penalties in tight matches or unders in defensive clashes between top teams. For the final, simulations often favour a Spain versus France or similar European showdown, but never discount Brazil's flair or Argentina's resilience. Beyond basic predictions, use AI for sentiment analysis. Scrape or query public opinion from social media, news, and forums to gauge if markets are overreacting to recent friendlies. Grok or other models can summarise trends quickly. Combine this with statistical models for a hybrid strategy that's hard to beat. Practical setup for your AI-powered betting system. Create custom GPTs or use prompt libraries tailored to football. Include variables like ELO ratings, XG differences, head-to-head history, referee tendencies, and venue specifics. For 2026, venues range from massive stadiums in the US, like MetLife, to others in Canada and Mexico, affecting pitch conditions and atmosphere. AI can quantify how these impact performance. Bankroll management strategies enhanced by AI include Kelly criterion calculations. Feed your estimated probabilities into the model, and it will suggest optimal stake sizes to grow your bankroll over time while minimizing ruin risk. This mathematical edge is what separates profitable bettors from the rest. Looking at historical trends through AI lenses, World Cups reward teams with squad depth due to the congested schedule. France and England score highly here. Value often lies in backing teams to reach quarterfinals or semi-finals rather than just the winner, as those markets can offer better prices. Player-specific bets like anytime goalscorer or assist can be lucrative. AI excels at projecting individual contributions based on roles, matchups, and form. For young talents like Lamine Yamal or others emerging, early tournament value might be there before odds adjust. Don't forget responsible gambling. AI helps you stay disciplined by tracking your betting history and suggesting when to take breaks if patterns show losses. Set limits and use it to inform, not chase. As we approach kickoff, keep updating your models with the latest qualifiers, friendlies, and squad announcements. The expanded format means more surprises possible, creating opportunities for sharp bettors. Teams from CONCACAF, like the hosts, will be motivated, potentially leading to competitive group stages. In summary, using AI for 2026 World Cup betting involves gathering tools, crafting smart prompts, cross-verifying predictions, focusing on value across markets, and maintaining discipline. Whether leveraging free chatbots or premium platforms, the key is consistent application and learning from outcomes. This tournament is set to be historic, and with AI on your side, you can navigate it smarter. To build on this, consider creating a dashboard or spreadsheet where you log AI predictions versus actual results and bookmaker odds. Over time, you'll see which models perform best for specific bet types. For group betting, calculate implied probabilities from odds and compare to your AI estimates. If an AI gives a team 55% chance to advance, but odds imply only 45%, that's potential value. Diving deeper into outright markets again, while Spain and France lead, mid-tier teams like the Netherlands or Norway with Erling Haaland could provide massive payouts if they go on a run. AI simulations account for variance and often highlight these paths. For props, total goals in the tournament is another fun market. The 48-team setup likely means more matches and potentially higher scoring. Matchday strategies. Use AI the night before for previews, then monitor line movements. Sharp money often moves lines, and AI can help interpret if it's due to public bias or real info. In North American venues, expect passionate crowds influencing play, something models can incorporate via historical home/away data, adjusted for international context. For advanced users, explore coding simple scripts with Python to automate queries or integrate APIs from data providers, though many AIs can guide you through this. Even without coding, copy-pasting recent stats into prompts yields strong results. Remember, betting should be entertaining. The 2026 World Cup brings global unity, incredible talent, and memories in the making. Use AI to enhance your enjoyment and potentially profit, but never bet more than you can afford. Expanding further, let's think about specific match examples. Suppose Mexico versus South Africa opener. AI might project a home win with goals, suggesting over 1.5 goals, or Mexico to win to nil as options. For bigger clashes like potential France versus Brazil in later stages, models analyse styles, counter-attacking versus possession, set pieces, etc. Injury monitoring is key. Use AI to stay on top of player availability by summarising news. A missing Mbappe changes everything for France's attack projections. Long term, as AI evolves, expect more sophisticated tools with real-time video analysis or player tracking integration. But for now, combining human football knowledge with machine precision is the sweet spot. This approach has helped many bettors find consistent edges in football. Apply it diligently to the World Cup, track everything, and refine. Who knows, you might turn a small stake into something memorable while enjoying the beautiful game. The excitement builds as teams prepare, and with AI assisting your bets on favourites, underdogs, props and more, you're positioning yourself for success. Stay tuned for more content, bet responsibly, and may your 2026 World Cup predictions pay off big. Thanks for watching, hit like and subscribe for more AI betting strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.